Hey guys, urgent, really emergency video about Yearn Finance. Yes, you heard that right. I will be talking only about Yearn Finance in this video. And as I promised, I will be talking about the coins that they are gainer of the day. And we actually will see how we can trade this coin. If you enjoy these videos, please like, and if you want to support me, support the channel, subscribe to the channel, and I really appreciate that, guys. Let's jump into it. This is Yearn Finance chart, and of course it was pumping like crazy, right? It was going how many percentage? Let's just measure from the bottom to all the way to the top. It went about 85% it had gained. So that means if you just spot traded, you bought in here, you are almost making 2x on this coin. That's crazy, right? So as you know, we were talking, I was giving you signals about Yearn, about Chromia, about many coins, Seller, Cello, and all of them. I told you guys in the point that you need to be careful, and of course from there we took some short nice trades, and it was very nice and profitable. I hope you also took those trades and you are in a massive green profit. But of course, not a financial advice, guys. Everything could happen. Actually, Yearn Finance, for example, was more bullish than those coins that we were taking a look in the past days. For example, this Yearn Finance was able to break above the channel that it was pumping inside it, right? Look, this channel, which is ascending and narrowing, right? This is of course tend to break down because it's ascending channel, but it managed to break up. And as you see, we had a huge inflow of the volume and the price was just surging afterward, and then retest of the upper trend line, again another bounce, new high, and retest again up. Well, it made a W pattern on the top of the channel, and actually W pattern, they are bullish pattern if you'd like, you asking me about theory. But the thing is, they usually they don't manage to break the neckline. Of course, this is the neckline, and if they manage to break above the neckline, you can say this is, breakout is confirmed, and we're gonna measure the target and we are going for the higher price. To my experience, usually this W pattern are not breaking their neckline, and they are just fake, to my belief. Anytime that before I have experience, I was trading them as like bullish pattern, I was not happy about those trades. Now guys, let's talk about the Finance. What's happening. Actually, it's very emergency. I want to upload it very fast so you will see it, guys. I have this channel, of course, and the bigger one, which actually show us where we have support after breaking this one. So, and of course I have these two blue line, the channel that we have on the top of these bigger patterns, which are still important to me. That's why I put it in here. Guys, the thing is, look at the cross of this red and blue line, and this is the time, this is the line actually all the time we're getting resistance, and it was pushing support, sorry, and it was pushing us all the way up. Huge pump we were getting, and now we are battling at this moment to see if we can break again, get support and push for the next leg higher, or actually we will not, if it will not manage and it breaks under, as it's kind of doing, but still you see that this is the 15-minute candle, 15-minute time frame, and it's kind of turning green, so it could still come back up and push it up and go to retest. Of course, we're going to have some other resistance on top of us. Of course, this upper trend line will be the first resistance, and the next one will be this blue one, depends where and when it hits, but this is gonna be the resistance. And if it manage to get ultimately above the red and above the blue, I can tell you the target, the price target of this one, if it breaks up, which actually is breaking down at the moment, but if it breaks, let's say here, then the price will be all the way about 37,000. If it breaks down, for example here, that is trying to break, then the price target of this small size will be 28,400. But I'm not be looking for this breakdown target, because this is the smaller pattern that is breaking down. If it really breaks down in here and confirm us that is, and the volume jump in, guys, this is gonna be the real pattern that I will be looking at, and I will be really taking for the price target all the way down to this support, which would be depend where it hits, but would be about roughly about 24,000 to 25,000. If this breakout, if you see it is coming down, Actually, I will short this. I will personally short this breakdown. Not a financial advice. Anything might happen. No one knows where it actually goes eventually. But based on pattern, if we are gonna be trading it, I'll be shorting it, and I will be taking for the first support about 24 25,000, as experience in the previous altcoins which were in the pump showed us that they usually get to this support very fast and very easy. I mean, in matter of hours only. And then they usually also don't get the support in here. And if I open the trade in here, I will just move my stop loss alongside with it, and I will be even looking for the break of eventually break of this broadening, ascending broadening wedge to break down, and the target will be all the way down when it started, which was about 20,000, 90,000, even lower price target. Is why lower? Because we are in a bear market. And I think all of us, we understand that short term we are in the bear market. Bitcoin is going down, and the only time frame we can argue maybe we still could hope for some bullishness to jump in is the weekly time frame. But in daily, 4 hours, and anything below those, we are still bearish. And when we are bearish, this altcoin, they usually can pump. Of course, they could give us a chance to have the nice trade with them, but you got to be careful. And of course, if you are a finance hodler, if you are you emotionally attached to this altcoin and you love it and you're hodling it, I have nothing against you. Make no mistake, I'm talking only about the traders. I'm giving my ideas, what I will be doing. Let me know in the comment down below what you will be doing. And of course, if you appreciate, please like and subscribe to the channel. I really will be happy about that. Thank you very much, and have a good trading. I'm out.